Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you can like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm doing a special by request video. A couple of my subscribers have asked for me to do a look with the Violet Voss Coral palette. A friend of mine, Shelly, had some problems with hers and somebody else had no problems. And then my subscribers, Samantha and Ruby, said, can you do a look with this? We want to see this palette on you. If anybody can make it work, Rhonda can make it work. Because I take looks and they look like they're out of control, but somehow I reel them in. It's just kind of my little specialty. But this palette is super pretty and it's a nice, pretty basic palette. So it shouldn't be too hard as long as the formula is good to make a fantastic look with it. And I've got everything ready to go. So I'm going to start with the silk in my crease. And this did come from my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag this month in November. And I was happy to see this as one of the things that I was getting because I don't have a lot of Violet Voss, and I hear great things about Violet Voss products all the time. And so, I'm always down to give something a go. And there's always some Violet Voss and BoxyCharm pop up or add-ons. But for some reason, I just haven't really reached out and gone down deep into that world of brand, whatever. So that was silk, and this is going to be champagne. I'm going to do this under my brow. This shimmer is fantastic. It's very pretty. We may see another appearance of this shimmer later on in this look. It's a little darker than I expected from my brow bone, but like I said, we'll figure it out. And I can always take my handy dandy tissue and just blend it out and soften it up. So there we go, magic. It's magical, I tell you, the magic of tissues. Ooh, spooky tissue. Ooh, it's a ghost. It's a ghost floating around. Not Halloween, but I'm a little creepy. Let's take a look at the next color I'm going to use. I'm going to go in with Pretty Peach. And that is going on easy for me. Very pigmented. It looks more like a pumpkin color than a peach to me, but that's just my opinion. We all know what opinions are like, don't we? Don't make me have to tell you. Opinions are like noses. Everyone's got one, and sometimes they run on and on and on. Out of control. Out of control. This is pretty. This definitely is a pumpkin, not a peach. I can hear Ruby in the other part of the apartment making crazy Ruby noises. I really like this pumpkin color. Super cute. Now I'm going to go into Coral Pop here, which this is where the coral comes in. It's kind of a neon coral. good morning. If you weren't awake, you are now with this coral. It's crazy hot coral. Crazy hot coral. I used to work with a chick named Coral, and she was awesome. She was from Rhode Island, and she was a wild woman. She was a wild, wild woman, full of information and attitude and fun. She was a lot of fun. I'm going to blend this out and soften this up with this fluffy brush from Luxie. So far, this is working just fine. The hot coral is kind of blending away a little bit, but not in a bad way. It's really melting with that peach color. Let's get the blending a little more. I wanted to try to even it out because these eyes are two different shapes. Very pretty, very pretty. Let's go into some of these browns here to try to chill this out. And we have Teddy and Chocolate. Chocolate. Let's try the Chocolate. It's not going on too pigmented, but it is showing up and really dampening down the hot coral. And this is just the second look that I've done with my new crazy hair. I was going for silver, but I got this kind of steely gray, and then I still have the black underneath. And I did my brows with a color from the Cremated palette. I think I'm going to go back in with the champagne color. It's very shimmery. But I'm not having a problem at all with this palette. Maybe my friend just had a bad one. And the shimmer is really quite beautiful. Oh, it's such a pretty look. I'm going to blend it out a little more. I can never get my eyes to be twins, but they're definitely sisters. Oh, there that is. Now I'm going to get some eyeliner. Some Stila eyeliner and do that. So I use every color in the palette except for Teddy. And this is so pretty. And I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs mascara. I had a trial of this and I just loved it. It really lengthens the lashes without giving you spider eyes. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, doing the things that a spider can. Shoots the web from his wrist. I don't know more words, but here comes your friendly Spider-Man. I'm going in on my second dip with this mascara on this eye, and this eye always looks better than the other eye. I really am loving this coral palette though. And this Marc Jacobs even working on the left side of lashes. I used to have lash extensions and they trashed my lashes. But now I've been using lash serum, and so far as I can tell from everybody I've known, it doesn't really matter what brand, they all seem to work really well. So this is such a bright and festive look. What kind of lip? I think I'm gonna go neutral. A little neutral with Christmas Cookie. Is that Christmas Cookie? It is Christmas Cookie. There we go. A beautiful look with the Violet Voss Coral Palette. I think it turned out great. I didn't have a problem with the palette whatsoever, but I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.